Different isn't scary, different isn't bad, so why does everybody think I'm sad? I'm just different, half a woman, half a man. I cannot use urinals, I just sit down on the can. It's such an inconvenience, I'm such an awful mess, not knowing to wear trousers or a dress. I didn't plan to be this way, I didn't want to be a geek, and it hurts when people stare at me and tell me I'm a freak. There were men who looked like women, there were girls who looked like guys, but me, I looked like both at once in everybody's eyes. I'm a weirdo, one that no one wants to bump, despite the fact that I have got the most enormous But different isn't sinful. I'm not very strong, so why do people tell me that it's wrong? I want to wear a leather